we're going to have a look at today is reverse Polish notation, and it's a concept that you won't have encountered really before to this point, but it is useful in computer science for lots of different reasons. To start off with, though, what we need to consider is that when we write an equation out as human beings, we write out, in generally speaking, in what we refer to as infix notation, in that we put the operators inside the operand. So for instance, 4 plus 8, the operands are the 4 and the 8, the operator is the plus, and that indicates, based on what we've learned about mathematics, that we add those two values together to give us an answer of 12. So reverse Polish notation is in postfix notation. What we do is we place the operators at the end, so they come at the end of the operands themselves. Now, why we do this, there's two main benefits, and you need to be aware of this for the exam, because if they were to come up, and they have come up, a 2-mark answer is it eliminates any need for any brackets, and it puts the expression in a sequence that is more appropriate for the interpreter to be able to deal with. So two kind of key points there really before you move forwards that you sort of need to have an awareness of for the exam situation. Now, just as a kind of a bit of an aside, and this isn't related to this particular topic as such, Polish notation, which you don't need to know about for your A-level, is where you place the operators before the operands themselves. So reverse Polish notation is just the opposite of it. It's just more of a quirky thing to kind of understand and know about before we before we move ahead.